Hello, everyone. I just pray that everyone's doing great and everyone's doing everything they can to stay inside as much as possible, stay away from all this nasty coronavirus stuff. Unfortunately, this is about the best way we can get things done. So I will be giving instructions on grade link as well as sending out a video. Today, guys, this is a history quiz. It's going to be over section comprehension check 8A, 8B, and 8C. I really hope everyone has not forgotten everything since we got out, but this is just a check to see where you guys are at. Okay, so all you need is a piece of paper, a pencil. Guys, please label it correctly, like you always do. Make sure you label it quiz 8A through 8C. I'm going to read the questions, guys. All you have to do is give me the answer. If it's two-part, I will try and make that as clear as well. Comprehension check 8A is going to be the first section we go over. And question number 1 is, what is the highest peak in Africa? What is the highest peak in Africa?
Text message.
Question number 2, what African island is the 4th largest island in the world? What African island is the 4th largest island in the world? And oh, by the way, guys, you can stop this and write down all you want. You can start it over or go back a little bit. So I'm going to read these questions kind of quick because I have to have each video less than 8 minutes. Okay. So number three, which kingdom was the greatest ancient civilization in the interior of Africa? Okay, guys, 4. 4 is a two-parter. Listen, the first part first. What African nation had a strong Christian influence in the New Testament? What African nation had a strong Christian influence in the New Testament? Okay, the second part of this, guys, why? Why? Okay, number 5, 8A, number 5. What special fact do we know about the Ethiopian eunuch? What special fact do we know about the Ethiopian eunuch? Number 6. What was Africa's first and greatest Christian kingdom? What was Africa's first and greatest Christian kingdom? Number 7. Which king had churches carved out of solid rock? Which king had churches carved out of solid rock? Guys, as always, this is not a spelling test. I know some of these words are kind of difficult. Just do the best you can. Okay, so that was it for 8A. Now we're moving on to 8B. There are 5 questions. 5 questions. Number 1. Northern Africa today is inhabited mostly by what group of people? North Africa today is inhabited by what group of people? I'm looking for a religion, guys. Remember, we talked about this many times. Number 2, what section of Africa carried on much trade during the Middle Ages? What section? Is it the east, north, south, west? And maybe this might help you out a little bit. What is located there today? Okay, number 3. Why was Africa called the white man's grave? Remember, there are 2 things here, guys. 2 that I'm looking for. Okay? You don't have to give me the names of... Well, here's a huge hint. You don't have to give me the names of the diseases. That's a huge hint. Okay? That was one part. And... Okay, 3 things. There's 3 things there, guys, that you have to have in there. Okay, number 4. Who was the first European explorer of Africa? The first European explorer of Africa. And number 5. What famous Scotsman was one of the first missionaries in South Africa? Okay, this is a two-parter. What famous Scotsman was one of the first missionaries in South Africa? The second part, near what desert did he minister to the people? Okay, moving on to 8C. 8A-8C. Yes, I know I'm reading this quick, guys, but again, you can stop it, write down your answer, start it again. 8C number 1. Who was Africa's most famous explorer? Who was Africa's most famous explorer? Number 2. This also has 2 parts. What was the smoke that thunders? What was the smoke that thunders? The second part, why was it called that? Again, we went over this in pretty good detail, so I want to see what we talked about, guys. And number 3, who went to find and assist Dr. Livingstone? Who went to find and assist Dr. Livingstone? Okay, guys, good luck. Take your time. Please write so I can read what you're writing. It's not a spelling test, but do the best you can on some of these words. Bye-bye.